Michail Antonio, West Ham United's modern-day icon. Michail Antonio's legacy at West Ham United stands as one of grit, determination, and an unrelenting passion for football. From his humble beginnings to becoming the club's all-time leading Premier League goalscorer, Antonio's journey is a testament to his adaptability, resilience, and commitment to the game. Antonio joined West Ham United in 2015 from Nottingham Forest, stepping into the Premier League spotlight with a reputation for versatility and hard work. Initially deployed as a winger, Antonio quickly showcased his ability to adapt, excelling in various positions, including right-back and wing-back, before eventually transitioning into a formidable striker. His physicality, pace, and relentless work rate made him an invaluable asset to the team, allowing managers to utilize him in different roles as needed. One of Antonio's defining traits has been his knack for scoring in crucial moments. He has delivered in high-stakes matches, including London derbies and relegation battles, becoming a player the team could rely on during pivotal times. His strength in the air, combined with his intelligent movement and clinical finishing, made him a nightmare for defenders across the league. A career-defining moment came in July 2020, when Antonio scored 4 goals in a single match against Norwich City, a performance that not only secured West Ham's Premier League survival but also highlighted his ability to dominate games single-handedly. That feat, coupled with his consistency, solidified his status as a fan favorite. Antonio's record-breaking achievements further cemented his place in West Ham folklore. In August 2021, he became the club's all-time leading scorer in the Premier League, surpassing Paolo Di Canio's long-standing record. His celebration, a playful nod to his charismatic personality, became an iconic image that encapsulated his connection with the fans. Antonio's contributions were not limited to the Premier League. In West Ham's return to European competitions, he played a pivotal role in their Europa League and UEFA Conference League campaigns. His goals and leadership helped the Hammers compete on the continental stage, showcasing the club's resurgence under his influence. Off the field, Antonio's jovial demeanor and authenticity endeared him to fans and teammates alike. His humorous interviews and viral celebrations reflected his genuine love for the game and his appreciation for the support he received. Additionally, Antonio embraced his Jamaican heritage by representing Jamaica at the international level, bringing pride to both the club and the wider Caribbean football community. Michail Antonio's legacy at West Ham is one of transformation. From an underdog signing to a record-breaking striker, he epitomized the club's fighting spirit and resilience. His ability to adapt, deliver under pressure, and connect with fans ensured his place as a modern-day icon for the Hammers. As Antonio's career continues, his name will remain etched in West Ham history. His story is not just about goals and records but about embodying the heart and soul of the club, a legacy that will inspire future generations of players and fans alike.